I paid almost every time. I lost so many coins. This is not good.
I stopped paying because I didn't want to save others.
Has something like this happened to you guys outside of the game?
Once me and my friend threw a party and we were the only ones that brought food to share, so the next party I decided to not bring any food.
Thanks for sharing, Andrea. I can see how this can connect to the simulation that we just did. How about you, Emma? Do you have a story to share?
I guess. I did a help in a project once and they still included me, but I was too busy at the time.
This has happened to me as well, so you're not alone. But I gotta ask, how did you guys feel?
I felt a bit ashamed, but also thankful. I wonder what my teammates thought. I feel like I'm starting to trust them more, and maybe I should have talked to them more.
For me, when I was in school, me and two other friends had to rotate bringing science materials to class. I brought my share every week, but then one day, my two friends, they forgot to bring theirs, and we ended up failing the assignment that day.
So one bad round in life can change everything, huh?
Yeah, so your decisions may depend a lot on how the last round felt.
So it's not just the coins, it's the people that trust you.
Makes sense. The math we didn't fully show that part, though.
Right, so every round we also need to pay attention to the context. Okay, guys, let's brainstorm. How can we make this game more fair? Okay, let's test this rule. If you paid twice, then you get an extra coin.
That sounds fair. If you give up 2 coins, you should get one back at least.
But it may backfire. If I know the player paid, then I know she's going to pay again. So I won't pay.
Good point. Andrea, what do you think?
True, I still think it's a good idea to reward people who pay, though.
And it feels good too. Once, my teacher gave me extra credit because I got 3 perfect assignments in a row.
You did bring up a really good point in your story, Emma. There is a sense of purpose now that there is a reward system.
I have another rule. If you don't pay for 3 straight rounds, you're out.
Wow, that sounds kind of harsh.
Do you think it will backfire somehow?
Maybe more and more people would pay a lot, but the thief would benefit more.
Maybe it's fair to all players, but it's still an unfair system because the overall wealth just goes down. What do you think?
Once, my friends and I planned a picnic, and we only needed 1 cooler, but someone said that we had to each bring our own, so we ended up with 5 coolers. Like, what was the point?
Wow, interesting story, Emma. So the rules sounded fair, but it really didn't make much sense.